我这样才录工了，刚刚就去了，就没有美的姐。
mua đồ cũ tên.
Thầu lúc cậu ý lì nô tị cậu xa, xong ó chia nâng cậu bê. Do Fresno Center trong mỏ ở trò rậu thi nâng cậu xa. Fresno Center trừ sĩ là tàu cha bê cho ó lưu xong nhớ trò luôn trong Fresno. Thiết tàu bí một trong mỏ ở trò ý xong ý rò là tàu nâng cậu xa lưu xong lợi. Xong nó do cụ thơ rò một cộng lợi trong mỏ ở trò. Cụ bỏ lỡ kế dài khoa của tàu rộng hãng. Lỡ mua chọn xài tuột dài khoa được ở trong. Mua cho xó ba đó xua tục khoa. Mua đau lia bùa kế dài tỏ sở đời. Mua nành sang bề cho sở đời mùa rộng trong. Mua nành tuột chúa ra chúa kế khó xe dị được ở trong. Mua khổng plin tàu tuột tròn bề cho sở đời. Thầu gạt lờ là trò hậu trả lo. Mua nâng tuần rùa tệ có chế mò nhộng. Mua chỉ má chín đông bánh chăng pia, nó là cá, dìa là rồng. Chênh cú bí trời chạy nhông, khó chở chỉ tàu bỏ đua, do khó hay tiền. Lỡ bí nó mỏ ổn đề, mà bí tụ chênh. Mong ít sự ở tiền, nó mỏ ổn đề, chỉ nâng nó mỏ tà, nâng kia một chế lợi. Mong thiệp hình mua khó nó mỏ, cho đồ tỏ cơ tụ chênh. Khó chân chế, muôn đào rộng mong tụ chênh đầy thầu. Nên phần chống tỏ chỉ tàu, kia một chế ta chỉ tàu đoàn mong nó mỏ. Sẽ được họ cho một xa sáng, để lúc con chân nó lo đi nó. Yếu nó mỏ ổn đây rong đúa, lọ nó mỏ ổ cá rong đúa.
Trong xe nè, lúc trong nó giờ cho ở đây nó phải sợ nó police. Lúc trong nó lúc nó nè, giờ cho ở đây nó tụi tung quay nhận lời cho phải sợ nó police. Lúc trong đó, em biết tôi chơi lại mà biết tôi trong xe của nó ở trong mấy cái bộ. Biết chỉ cho cái này cứ chơi, chỉ không quay nhận cái này để cho tôi chơi. Chơi tôi chọn cái nó lấy. Em trong xe ở đây
I wanted to thank the Fresno Center, thank Cal, and each and every one of you for the incredible work that you do. Now, for those of you who don't know, Boz is a field representative of the 21st Congressional District. And so when I say we work together, we do. We work together weekly. And very often, when I am in Washington and I can't be there and there's such a presentation to be made, Boz goes, is kind and receptive and warm and represents me in an excellent way. I want you to know I did not ask him to produce this certificate today. This is part of the surprise. But I'm honored to be here. You make a difference and you're well on your way. And I and the entire staff across the team are so proud of you. And I never have any doubt you are out there helping people in our district, making a difference or representing you. So let's give a large round of applause as I present this certificate of special congressional recognition to my friend, my co-worker, Boz, who with the American Corps, over 3,000 hours. Think about that. 3,000 hours of service to our Central Valley community and the constituents of the 21st District. God bless you, my friend. Thank you for a job well done.
Tụ chênh nhất rồi mà nó muôn đầu xử lý. Khi cho đó sẽ được nó mỏ, mua cái lọ rễ dài khoa. hồ sang gạo chữ tế chờ.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight lies gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rockets red glare, the bombs burst, sending air, gave proof through the night that the flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave. It's an honor. Thank you so much, Fresno Center, for having me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Grace. Wow. We should get you to sing for the Fresno Grizzlies. I'm the public address announcer for the Grizzlies, by the way. If you come to the stadium, you hear me. You want to hear how I announce the team? Very quickly? All right. And now here's the starting lineup for your regular season California League champion, Fresno
Phía cho cộng hậu để hậu lự ý dụng thâu lọ. Tù thôi cho đã lúc cộng hậu cho lụ trận chênh.
Welcome to our annual holiday gathering to give thanks and show gratitude to our partners, funders, elected officials, friends, and families at the Fresno Center. We embrace diversity. We inspire and we want you to be empowered to know who you are, to respect yourself. Because if you don't respect yourself, no one's going to respect you. If you don't appreciate where you came from, no one's going to appreciate where you came from. And as you see in the videos of the services that we provide to our community, the work that we do with our elected officials, and the relationship that we build with our community are not done by me, but by amazing staff. The dedication, the passion that they have for their families, first and foremost, because our family are in the community that we serve. So our goal at the Fresno Center is to serve the community like how you would serve your family. At the Fresno Center, we believe in gratitude. The quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for in return kindness. And that's why we have this event. We continue to protect and feed our community through our mental health prevention and intervention programs, our immigration service, our adult day health center, our vaccine clinics, and monthly food distribution, just to state a few of the services that we provide to our community. I wake up every morning and is reminded by my wife, and I also remind myself how fortunate I am to be able to collaborate and work with all of you to accomplish the mission of this amazing organization called the Fresno Center.
As leaders of the Fresno Center, we encourage and recognize our team members for their hard work and dedication. The Employee of the Year recognition is an important part of our organization, and it helps to inspire, empower, and cultivate employees' motivation and morale. This award recognizes a staff member who consistently demonstrates a high degree of excellence, professionalism, and integrity in the performance of their duties, and who has proven their willingness to extend themselves to help others, all in which they continue to carry the Fresno Center's mission in fostering cultural preservation and promoting cross-cultural understanding. I'm going to share a few words about this individual before announcing their name. So this individual has proved to be respectful, resourceful, and innovative. This individual's passion and genuine sympathies extend well beyond their program. As a tirelessly creative and caring individual, this person has volunteered numerous times for the better good of the organization and the community members at large. This person has provided strategic methods and advice to carry out unique and appropriate activities to strengthen and improve their program. This person's leadership skills are growing, and we look forward to their continued success. With that said, I am delighted to announce our 2023 Employee of the Year. And can I have a drum roll? Joa Her, our new activity coordinator director, please join us up here to accept your award.
Thank you for your amazing work and dedication, and also developing different modality of services to our community. So congratulations. Your plaque is on the way. Your plaque is on the way. So thank you, and thank you to all of our leaders for your submissions and vote. Thank you.
Nã trồng cho lòi yêu đồ sở đời sang.
Inspired full of hope, the polo coat was the most common style during the 50s, with wide sleeves and a triangular shape, large cross colors, and usually large buttons as well.
not, Sherry asked if I might want to be involved in some way, shape, or form with the fashion showcase, representing my culture. My family's from Scotland, which means wearing a kilt. Anybody watch the TV series Outlander? Big fans of Outlander, right?
Tao họ nên lọt thia do chỉ đồ sự đơn chia. Muốn đỡ bỏ thơ, hỗ trợ, lúc cộng hậu, tụ diện gì.
On behalf of Attorney General Rob Bonta, I want to present Pal and your team at the Fresno Center this certificate, and this certificate is in recognition of your work to address inequities in underserved communities and your commitment to providing multicultural services that support self-sufficiency, economic viability, and empowerment. So can we please give it up for Pal and the Fresno Center and their team. On behalf of Attorney General Rob Bonta, we proudly present these certificates to these three individuals in recognition of the essential direct services you provide for victims of hate and your commitment to creating cross-racial solutions to address hate in the Fresno area. So if we could get up here, Cindy Loriang, please let's give it up for Cindy. We also want to recognize Nancy Shawn. And last but not least, we want to recognize Pierce Yang.
Hi everyone. My name, for those of you that don't know me, is Bahua Lor, and I am a Superior Court judge. It is with such honor that I stand on this stage to recognize the movers and shakers, those individuals who came when it was much needed, to the support of restaurant owners, to eliminate hatred. So you guys really are heroes. Everyone at the Fresno Center are heroes in my opinion, but tonight recognize the wonderful work that you guys did to help a family that was in stress. Thank you very much.
Well, Councilmember Nelson Esparza could not be here today, but he wanted to make sure that I showed up with a recognition, as always. He's very proud of all the work that the Fresno Center has done and all our colleagues within. We're very proud of the diversity they bring to the table and the programs that they bring to everybody. And in the spirit of Councilmember Nelson Esparza, he prides himself in not speaking for too long, so I'm just going to read a couple words off this proclamation. Whereas today the Fresno Center and community celebrate their 27th annual Giving Thanks event. Now, therefore, be it resolved that Councilmember Nelson Esparza, the Fresno City Council, and Mayor Jerry P. Dyer do hereby proclaim the 17th of November, 2023 as Giving Thanks Day.
Thiết tròn bề đồ dọc khổng pli.
That number is 129007. Winner!
Another big round of applause for our Country Fashion Showcase.